Yun, yung kay Coach Julie, yung since you've been gone, nagka-inside joke na nga kami sa coaches na kapag meron kaming galit sa prod, since you've been gone yung papakanta. Kasi I think it's one of the most challenging songs to sing, especially sa battle rounds. Kasi it's really gonna push yung range, tsaka yung power, tsaka yung endurance ng mga bata. But kinaya nila. So, sobrang close fight therefore yung naging performance na yun, and sobrang nahirapan din si Coach Julie. Kaya yung outcome niya, no one could have guessed, pero I think it's what's meant to happen.